Ready to slam dunk your way into live NBA action right from your phone? Let's unlock all the features of the ESPN app to ensure you never miss a buzzer beater. First, ensure you have the ESPN app downloaded and installed on your device. Now, the key to unlocking most live NBA games is an ESPN subscription. Tap the ESPN tab at the bottom to subscribe or log in if you already have an account. Next, navigate to the schedule section. Filter by NBA to easily find upcoming and live games. Game times are listed in your local time for your convenience. Tap on the game that you want to watch. Once the game starts, tap the play button. To adjust the streaming quality, look for the settings icon, usually a gear shape. Here, you can select your preferred resolution based on your internet speed to avoid buffering. Select the video quality setting you prefer. Auto is the default that adjusts automatically depending on your internet connection. If you are having issues with buffering, choose a lower quality setting. Experiencing any trouble, check your internet connection first. If that doesn't work, try closing and reopening the app. And always make sure you have the latest version of the ESPN app from your app store. Now you're all set to catch all the nail-biting moments live. Enjoy the game.